This was absolutely a bull trap in the stock market. Well, VIX is surging. It surged actually, and Nvidia stock continue to slide. Not just Nvidia, all the tech stocks, if you realize, everything is just flushing down. Watch carefully, even Palantir, one of the favorite stock, of course, in the stock market, especially to the investors who have less money and they want to capitalize as much as possible. They invest in Palantir. So Palantir is also dropping pretty hard, but not that hard like Nvidia. Palantir right now, of course, sitting at $30.41. Not that pretty hard drop. We got 11% drop, right? Sorry, not 10% drop from the all-time high. I mean, the recently all-time high, like $33.18. I'm not talking about the $41 or $42 2 years ago. I'm talking about the recently. From $33, we came back down to $30. So that's pretty much 10% of the move on the downtrend. If you count on Nvidia is pretty much way too solid on a very heavy side. Nvidia, of course, lost more than now $280 billion in market cap. But I think Nvidia will continue to flush down more while having the choppy session. I mean, not so positive volume, not even so negative volume, not on a clear side, but every now and then just getting sold off. Of course, it is continuing the downtrend. So, but if you see the charts of Palantir, they're absolutely different. Well, let's talk about the stock market here. What is happening with the stock market? Bitcoin is dropping, of course. All the cryptocurrencies, they are dropping massively. And of course, the tech stocks, they are dropping massively. And I suggest, honestly, with my experience, it's not a financial advice, but it's for education purpose only. With my experience, of course, I will keep cash much as possible and I will not invest in the stock market right now. Of course, unless and until you are day trading or swing trade, that's a totally different take. But I'm talking about the investment. If you want to go like a long term or even for a month or 2 or 3, of course, I would keep cash on the side. I will not buy anything. I will wait for the right time. Well, how you can really know that this is the right time and we can really buy in? Well, we are not seeing any bottom right now that the stock market is making like a nice, beautiful, strong support. We are not seeing that. We are seeing a massive fluctuation. Not just in the US stock market happens, it's happening in even the European stock market, Asian stock market, in North America, South America, everywhere. All around the world, of course, the markets are just dropping pretty heavily. But do you think that it is the right time that when you're seeing Nvidia is really dropping hard and you just keep buying, and the fact is next day Nvidia is dropping more? I'm talking about the stock Nvidia because it's one of the most spoken stock in the entire stock market since the earnings. I'm just giving that example as in a whole idea. But I'm talking about any stock that you want to invest. Think of it. You buy now, and what happens next day? Next day opening, it drops more. And you buy more, it drops more. So wait for the nice support when the stock market will really make that support. Then it's kind of confirmation that you get in and buy. If you want to know when to buy, when to sell, and just come down to the link. The link is down in the description, and you can have any stock or any questions you can ask me, and you can see my portfolio when I'm buying, when I'm selling. All the members, of course, they just follow the guidance and they just buy and sell and they make profit. And by the way, we are starting a small account challenge, growing $1,000 to $100,000. You can take part in and enjoy that luxury to have $100,000. Whoever reaches $50,000 first, they will have the cash prize, $15,000 as a cash prize. All the stocks I will give you: when to trade, what to trade, how many shares to buy, how many shares to sell, how many shares to short, how many shares to cover. I will give you entire thing. Like literally you're spoon-feeded in this journey, and plus you get a cash prize of $15,000. Well, let's keep this everything on the side. Guys, stock market right now is not so stable. So stop investing in the stocks and regretting earlier. So what I mean, if you have cash, of course, keep the cash in your account. I mean, in your brokerage account, don't invest in any companies. Again, I'm not advising you. I'm only telling as an educational purpose. It's not the right time to invest. It's time to wait a little bit. But if you're day trading or swing trade, you can print money heavily. Like you can come down. Again, the link is down in the description. We day trade, we swing trade, we make money every single day, guys. Every single day we make money. At the end of the video, of course, I will show you the profits of how I make. Even if the market is dropping, I make profit. Not just me, all the members, they make profit. And where the market is really heading, all the AI news in AI, the bells were ringing just a month or two ago. And now what happens? Everything is melting. No AI, no .com, no nothing, no internet, no nothing is working. Everything is flushing down. But one thing that we are seeing here, the fear of recession. The fear of recession, of course, that is the biggest fear that is installed in the market right now. And I think when the Fed will honestly come out and announce the rate cuts, whatever the percentage probably they will just go with, I think so, the market will flush super heavily. Plus, even the cryptocurrency, especially the Bitcoin, of course, it will drop 20%. That will be really massive, dropping 20%. Guys, if Bitcoin is dropping, of course, the entire stock market will also drop. It's absolutely relative. It's not going separate. It's going hand in hand, especially now. Of course, I'm not talking about like 5 years ago. Now, if the Bitcoin is dropping, if the stock market is dropping, the Bitcoin is dropping. So when the market is going down, of course, the Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies, whatever, all the cryptocurrencies, they are flushing down. So everything is going down. There is something called a bull trap. When you see small surges, don't get trapped and don't get in the market. Of course, you will be trapped, and the next day it opens more lower. That would be the nasty trap that you can ever get trapped in, and that's how you are losing money, and that's how you are, of course, losing focus and confidence in stock market. Be very careful where you're investing, guys. If you want to know everything, how to buy, when to buy, when to sell, what stock to buy, what stock to sell, when is the right time. The link is down in the description, and it costs less than $1 a day. Whatever, you come to the group and you pay that fees. Everything goes to the donation. If you want to donate, you're most than welcome. And if you want to donate for the channel purpose, you can join the membership. And plus, we create the more exclusive content for only you guys. Exclusive content for you and on any request. Plus, guys, be careful in the stock market. Don't gamble, especially in these times, because the market will, believe me, it will give you shock after shock after shock. But now is not the right time because we didn't find the bottom yet, because the fluctuations are pretty hard. Be careful with those fluctuations, and save your accounts carefully. Please save your accounts. Don't blow up your account, guys. That's the worst and the nastiest stuff that you could ever do, blowing up your accounts. That's the worst, honestly. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And look how the profits I make. I will just post it right here. So here's Nvda trading at $106, guys. Where the stock is really heading, it's heading to $90.83. But if this honestly goes just out of control, where the stock is really heading, that can really end up to $86 to $85 very easily. And plus Palantir, look at Palantir. Coming down pretty nice. Got the nice and beautiful support on Palantir that's trying to really hold that. But if they honestly cannot, Palantir will come down to $28 pretty easily. That's the range I'm looking for. Guys, today we also traded in the group and we made profit. Of course, every day we make profit, and if you want to join, you can join and you can trade with us. The stock I trade was GTLB made $35,000 and $821 on GTLB. Guys, everywhere you can find the stock, you can trade. Come trade with us and make profit. Almost everyone, they made profit and you do it. I just don't give one single stock. I give multiple stocks to trade. Like 3 to 4 stocks I give to trade. You can choose any of those depending on your account size. You can trade and you can make some money and grow your accounts, guys, because this market is good for day trade and swing trade, not for the long term, because believe me, because we are yet to find the bottom. So take advantage of this. Take advantage of this. Make money. I'm not telling you you'll make this amount of money, $35,000, but at least you'll make $1,000 or $2,000, whatever, depending on your account size, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Probably see you in the next video. And guys, probably see you in the group. And because I'll be so happy if you honestly trade and make profit. Don't lose money, guys, because gambling is the worst thing in the entire stock market. Bye bye, and see you next time. And hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.